Namaste. Good morning to all. Welcome in online yoga session. I am Deepika Dikshit and along with me Mr. Pratap Dash. First of all, we wish you a very happy Independence Day. आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई. Today we will teach you few practices that will help one to keep diabetes under control. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder that occurs when blood sugar is too high. Regular practice of asana and pranayama along with control in lifestyle can reduce your diabetes. Before I start, let me tell you that we are going to practice at well sanitized place. Please follow the government guidelines and cooperate with health workers. Stay aware, stay safe, stay healthy. So let's start this session with 3 times of Om chanting. For Om chanting, sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Keep your back, neck, head straight. Place your palms in chin mudra on your respective knee. Gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness towards your breath. Inhale deeply. Feel the vibration of Om around you and in your body. Slowly open your eyes. Release your hands and legs position. Stretch your both legs forward. Place your palms backside. Shake your legs. First we are going to practice Chakki Chalan Asana. For Chakki Chalan Asana, legs apart. Take comfortable distance between both legs. Sit straight. Now stretch your hand front side of your body in line of your shoulder and make finger lock. As you inhale, lean back little bit. As you exhale, bend forward towards your left leg. Touch your left toe with your hands. Rotate upper part of body towards right. Touch your right toe. Inhale, lean back. Like this, you have to rotate upper part of body 10 rounds in clockwise direction. Keep your hands straight. Don't bend your elbows. श्वास लेते हुए पीछे, श्वास छोड़ते हुए आगे झुकिए. इसी तरह शरीर के ऊपरी भाग को 10 बार सीधी दिशा में घुमाएं. Now, anti-clockwise 10 rounds. अभ्यास कीजिए 10 बार विपरीत दिशा में. अपने हाथों को सीधा रखिए. This asana has a positive effect on the pelvis and abdomen and eliminates energy blockages in these areas. After 10 rounds, slowly come back. Release your hands position. Reduce gap between both legs. Shake your legs, relax for a while. Next, we will practice Vakrasana, spinal twisting asana. For Vakrasana, take position, join your legs together, place your palms beside of your buttock, keep your back head straight. First, bend your right knee, fold your right leg, and place your right foot beside of your left knee. Remember, right ankle joint and left knee should be in one line. Now slowly bring your right hand back and place your right palm in line of your spine on mat. Finger facing outward, left palm on left knee. As you inhale, raise your left hand up, stretch your hand up. As you exhale, bring your left hand down. First, cross your right leg and try to hold right big toe, ankle joint. If not possible, catch your right calf muscle or knee. Then exhale, twist your waist towards right side. Look back in line of your shoulder. In final position, close your eyes. Breathing should be normal. Try to keep your both shoulder in one line. Check your position and maintain the final position for comfortable time. Very effective practice in diabetes, chronic constipation, PCOD. Slowly come back, look straight. Inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale, bring your left hand down. Release your right hand position and stretch your leg forward. Same practice with other side. Take position. Now bend your left knee, fold your left leg and place your left foot beside of your right knee. Bring your left hand back and place your left palm in line of your spine on mat. Right palm on right knee. As you inhale, raise your right hand up, stretch your hand up. As you exhale, bring your right hand down. First, cross your left leg, then try to hold left big toe, ankle joint. If not possible, try to hold your calf muscle or knee. Then twist your waist towards left side, look back in line of your shoulder. Close your eyes in final position, breathing normal. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, अगर आप पैर के अंगूठे को नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हैं तो पैर का टखना, पिंडली या घुटना पकड़कर इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं. Very effective practice for back. Give strength to back muscles. Slowly come back, look straight. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale, slowly bring your right hand down. Release your left hand position and stretch your left leg forward. Legs slightly apart. Place your palms back side. Shake your legs and relax for a while. Next asana is Paschim Uttanasana, forward bending asana. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर जिनको है या जिनको कमर में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द है वो इस अभ्यास को ना करें. For Paschim Uttan, join your legs together. Place your palm beside of your buttock. Keep your back straight, head straight. Now place your palm on your thighs. As you inhale, raise your both hands up. Stretch your hands up. As you exhale, bend forward. Make hook of your index finger and try to catch your big toes. If not possible, then catch your ankle joint and maintain as much as you can. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch forehead to knee. Bend your elbows down towards mat. Try to place your elbows on mat. Breathing normal in final position. Feel the stretch towards back. It tones pelvic region. Effective practice in diabetes and obesity. Slowly come back. As you inhale, raise your hands, head, shoulder, chest up, stretch your hands up. As you exhale, release your stretch and slowly bring your hands down. एक बार और इसका अभ्यास करेंगे. स्थिति में आएं. श्वास लेते हुए धीरे धीरे दोनों हाथों को सिर के ऊपर उठाएं. हाथों को ऊपर की ओर खिंचाव दीजिए. श्वास छोड़ते हुए कमर भाग से आगे झुकें. अपने पैरों के अंगूठे को पकड़ने का प्रयास कीजिए. अब श्वास छोड़ते हुए माथे को नीचे लाएं. शरीर के ऊपरी भाग को नीचे लाएं और माथे को घुटने पे लगाने का प्रयास कीजिए. कोहनियाँ ज़मीन पर रखने का प्रयास अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार कीजिए. आसन के प्रभाव को महसूस कीजिए. श्वास प्रश्वास सामान्य. कुछ देर आसन की इस स्थिति को बनाने का प्रयास. धीरे से वापस आएंगे. श्वास लेते हुए दोनों हाथों को सिर, कंधा, छाती को ऊपर उठाएं. हाथों को ऊपर की ओर खिंचाव दीजिए. श्वास छोड़ते हुए खिंचाव को कम करते हुए हाथों को नीचे लाएं. विश्राम करें कुछ देर. पैरों में हल्की सी दूरी बना लीजिए. हथेलियां शरीर के पीछे रखिए. पैरों को हिलाइए. Now we are going to practice few asanas on the back. So please lie down on the back. Keep your legs towards us. On back, first asana we are going to practice, that is Nauka asana, boat pose. For Nauka asana, join your legs together. Hands side of your body, palm facing downward. As you inhale, raise your both legs, head, shoulder, chest, both hands up to 30 to 35 degree. Hands straight towards your legs, palm facing downward. Look towards your toes. In final position, try to make shape of boat. Breathing normal in final position. Feel the effect of this asana towards your abdomen. Exhale, slowly come back. Legs down, back down, hands on mat. Relax for a while in Shavasana. एक बार और इस अभ्यास को करेंगे. दोनों पैरों को मिलाकर रखिए. हाथों को शरीर के साथ मिलाकर रखिए. हथेलियों की दिशा नीचे की ओर. श्वास लेते हुए धीरे से दोनों पैरों को सिर, कंधा, छाती, दोनों हाथों को 30 से या 35 डिग्री तक उठाएं. हाथों को पैरों की ओर सीधा रखिए. हथेलियों की दिशा ज़मीन की ओर. दृष्टि पंजों की ओर रखें. श्वास प्रश्वास सामान्य. Very effective practice in diabetes, obesity, tones your abdominal muscles. अब धीरे से वापस आएंगे. श्वास छोड़ते हुए पैरों को, सिर को, हाथों को नीचे ले आएं और विश्राम कीजिए शवासन में. Next, we are going to practice Shav Udarkarshan asana. For Shav Udarkarshan asana, join your legs together. Stretch your hand side of your body in line of your shoulder. palm facing upward. Start with right leg. As you inhale, raise your right leg up. Bend your right knee, fold your right leg, and place your right foot on your left knee. With help of your left hand, hold your right knee. As you exhale, slowly move your right leg towards left side and turn your head towards right. Don't lift your right shoulder up and maintain the final position with normal breath. Keep your left leg straight. Feel the twist towards your waist. Effective practice for back, make your spine flexible. Increase the efficiency of abdominal organ. Effective practice in diabetes. Slowly come back. Inhale, keep your knee and head straight. Release your left hand position. Raise your right leg up. As you exhale, bring your right leg down. यही अभ्यास दूसरी ओर करेंगे. श्वास लेते हुए धीरे धीरे बाएं पैर को ऊपर उठाएं. बाएं पैर को घुटने से मोड़ लीजिए. बाएं पंजे को दाएं घुटने के ऊपर रखिए. अब दाएं हाथ से बायां घुटना पकड़ लीजिए. श्वास छोड़ते हुए बाएं पैर को दाहिनी ओर घुमाएं और सिर को घुमाएं बाईं ओर विपरीत दिशा में. आंखें बंद. श्वास पर श्वास सामान्य. बाएं घुटने को जमीन पर लगाने का प्रयास कीजिए. शव उदरकर्षण आसन massages the abdominal organs. धीरे से वापस आएंगे. श्वास लेते हुए घुटने और सिर को बीच में लाएं. दाएं हाथ को कंधे की सीध में ले आएं. बाएं पैर को ऊपर सीधा करें. श्वास छोड़ते हुए बाएं पैर को धीरे धीरे नीचे ले आएं. हाथों को पैरों की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए. विश्राम कीजिए शवासन में. Now we are going to practice Surya Namaskar. For Surya Namaskar, first come to sitting position. Join your legs together. Raise your right hand above your head on mat. Bend your left knee, fold your left leg. Slowly take turn towards right side. With support of your both hands, first come to sitting position. Take your time. Now slowly come to standing position. Come front side of mat. There are 12 steps in Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is the ideal practice to increase awareness and bestow good health and well-being. Take position, join your legs together, stand straight. Now bend your both hands, elbows, and place your palms in Namaskar Mudra, front side of your chest. Breathing should be normal in this position. As you inhale, raise your both hands up. Make slight curve towards your upper back. Look up. As you exhale, bend forward. Try to place both palms beside of your feet. Try to touch forehead to knee. Keep your legs straight. As you inhale, bring your right leg back. Bend your right knee on mat. Look up, push your pelvic down. As you exhale, bring your left leg back. Body should be in slanting position. look straight. Further exhale, bend your elbows, bend your knees, bring your chest down. Place chin, chest, knees on mat, buttocks up. First buttocks down, keep your body straight. Inhale, raise your head, shoulder, chest, abdomen. Look up, keep your hands straight, legs together. As you exhale, lift your buttocks up, bring your head down, walk one step forward and try to place both heels on mat, look towards navel. As you inhale, bring your right leg in front, place your right foot in between your palm, left knee on mat, look up. Exhale, bring your left leg in front, both legs together, try to place and touch forehead to knee, keep your legs straight. Inhale, raise your hands, head, shoulder, chest up. Make slight curve towards your back. Look up. Exhale, keep your back straight. Bend your elbows. Palms in Namaskar Mudra, front side of your chest. Observe the breath. Now slowly release your hands position. Hands down from side of your body towards your legs. एक बार और इसका अभ्यास करेंगे. दोनों पैरों को मिलाकर रखिए, सीधे खड़े हो जाएं. दोनों हाथों को कोहनियों से मोड़ते हुए हथेलियों को ले आइए नमस्कार मुद्रा में, छाती के सामने. श्वास लेते हुए धीरे से दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठाएं, छाती में फैलाव, दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. श्वास छोड़ते हुए कमर भाग से आगे झुकिए, हथेलियों को पंजों के बगल में रखने का प्रयास, माथे को घुटने पे लगाने का प्रयास. पैरों को सीधा रखिए. श्वास लेते हुए दाहिने पैर को पीछे ले जाइए, दायां घुटना जमीन पर, दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. श्वास छोड़ते हुए बाएं पैर को पीछे ले जाएं, सीधा देखकर अभ्यास कीजिए. श्वास छोड़ते हुए घुटनों और कोहनियों को मोड़ते हुए छाती नीचे लाएं, ठुड्डी, छाती, घुटने जमीन पर, नितंब ऊपर की ओर उठे हुए. अब धीरे से नितंब को नीचे ले आइए. श्वास लेते हुए सिर, कंधा, छाती, उदर भाग को ऊपर उठाएं, हाथों को सीधा रखिए, दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. श्वास छोड़ते हुए नितंब भाग को ऊपर उठाएं, सिर को नीचे की ओर लाएं, एक कदम आगे बढ़ा लें, एड़ियां जमीन पर रखने का प्रयास, दृष्टि नाभि की ओर. श्वास लेते हुए दाहिने पैर को आगे लाएं, दायां पंजा दोनों हथेलियों के बीच में रखें, बायां घुटना जमीन पर, दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. श्वास छोड़ते हुए बाएं पैर को आगे लाएं, दोनों पैरों को मिलाकर रखें, माथे को घुटने पे लगाने का प्रयास करें, क्षमता के अनुसार कीजिए. श्वास लेते हुए दोनों हाथों को सिर, कंधा, छाती को ऊपर उठाएं, छाती में फैलाव, दृष्टि ऊपर की ओर. श्वास छोड़ते हुए कमर भाग को सीधा करते हुए हथेलियां ले आइए छाती के सामने, नमस्कार मुद्रा में, सजगता श्वास पर. अब धीरे से दोनों हाथों को शरीर के बगल से पैरों की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए. अब आप सभी कृपया करके बैठ जाएं. पैरों को आगे की ओर सीधा कर लीजिए, हथेलियां शरीर के पीछे रखिए, सिर को पीछे ढीला छोड़ दीजिए, पैरों को हिलाएं डुलाएं, आँखें बंद, थोड़ी देर विश्राम. श्वास पर श्वास को सामान्य करने का प्रयास कीजिए. Next, we are going to practice breathing exercise. For breathing exercise, first come to sitting position and sit in any comfortable meditative posture. किसी भी आरामदायक ध्यानात्मक स्थिति में बैठिए. Keep your back, neck, head straight. Place your palms in chin mudra on your respective knee. Close your eyes. Take few deep breaths in and out. Observe your breath. Now we are going to practice Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, you have to emphasize on forceful exhalation through both the nostrils. And with each and every exhalation, you have to contract lower abdomen in. In Kapalbhati, exhalation is active and inhalation is passive. Here we are going to practice 2 rounds. In each and every round, you have to give 40 to 45 strokes. Take position. Inhale deeply. Exhale and start. Last stroke, complete breath out. Observe the breath. Do normal breathing. Kapalbhati cleanses your respiratory tract and nasal tract. Effective practice in obesity, diabetes and chronic constipation. एक बार और अभ्यास करेंगे. तेजी से शक्तिपूर्ण दोनों नासिकाओं से श्वास को बाहर छोड़िए और पेट को अंदर की ओर खींचिए. अभ्यास शुरू करें. Last stroke, complete breath out. Do normal breathing and observe the breath. आँखें बंद ही रखिए. सजगता श्वास पर रखिए. Now at the end of this session, we will chant 1 Om and 3 Shanti together. Take deep breath in. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. शरीर में स्थिरता को अनुभव कीजिए. मन में शांति का अनुभव. Now slowly release your hands position. Rub your palm with each other, make them warm. Make cup shape of your palms and keep on your closed eyes. Relax your eyes. Open your eyes inside your palms. Blink your eyes. Now release your hands position. Bring your hands down. Thank you for being with us. See you tomorrow at same time.